Two of the finest airshow pilots in the world. High into the right team lead, Matt Chapman, in his Embry-Riddle Eagle 580. And on his wing is Michael Mancuso in his stunning New York Jet Extra 300L. Up and over the top they go. Matt Chapman is from Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, and is a captain for American Airlines. This year, Matt is celebrating his 25th year of airshow flying. Matt is a two-time member of the U.S. Aerobatic team, placing third in the World Aerobatic Championships in Slovakia in 1998. Michael Mancuso flying precise. Michael grew up in an aviation family. In 1946, his grandfather Louis Mancuso Sr. founded Mid-Island Air Service on Long Island. Over the past nearly 60 years, he has been responsible for teaching thousands of people how to fly. Many of whom have gone on to become professional pilots both in the corporate and major airline worlds. Beautiful two-ship formation, loops and barrel rolls cleverly. With a civilian background, is representing Embry-Riddle Aeronautic University, the finest aerospace university in the world. No other school equals Embry-Riddle. Aerospace professionals who go on to enjoy successful and fulfilling careers. A beautiful barrel roll right at Show Center. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, the premier aviation university in the nation, is proud to be an official sponsor of award-winning aerobatic performer Matt Chapman. Also, online learning, airframe and power plant certification, research, Michael and Matt are both powered by life-holding Matt is Mancuso or Matt Chapman on any number of national media networks, such as ESPN, Discovery Channel, Discovery Channel Wings, ABC and CBS Good Morning Sunday, as well as countless local TV networks and newspapers. Look at this night news formation as they come around in the high T. On around they go in a two-ship barrel roll coming out of the high G turn. Good line of rest. Stacked back on a 45-degree line from Matt Chapman. Now watch as Michael Mancuso adds a little power, moves up into a fine rest position, one of the most difficult formation positions to fly as they go on down. The camera is on because watch what happens next. Now, there they go crisscrossing right in front of you. Yes. Hey, crisscross just inches wide. Now climbing on 45-degree lines, they'll do that figure 8 lying on the side, that Cuban 8. Okay, there's Matt Chapman in the lead, and upside down, and just inches below him is Michael Mancuso. Those propellers are very, very close. Imagine this time and read Michael's instruments from that. Now what will they do as they begin a turn? Climbing as they go and continue to roll the canopy mirror image roll. In formation, they'll turn around and come back for There's Matt, upside down. As Michael Mancuso flies barrel rolls around his partner, this is the rollover. And there goes Matt, and they roll the entire rollover formation. Nobody else performs that maneuver, and there's a rejoin for you. Quickly, right back on the wing. Oh, what beautiful formation. Pushing forward on the stick and rolling away. They'll bring it right back to upright flight without ever deviating from that tight two-ship formation position. Beautiful aerobatic. Here, Michael Mancuso Airshow is partnering with Rhode Island Air Service and New York Jet. That's the support vehicle for the next floor, Shockwave.
Is it Dell's truck? Oh, it's been by
Next floor, Shockwave.
Yeah, you see what's
Or which you ask for horsepower. The next floor, Shockwave has enough power to accelerate at almost 3 Gs vertically. Taking a good close look is Michael Mancuso as he comes by. That acceleration rate would be the same as the Space Next Floor. The Shockwave, sponsored by Next Floor. Curious about what the next big thing online will be? Well, check out www.nextfloor.com. That's N-E-X-P-L-O-R-E, Next Floor. Web tools and destinations that radically improve your search engine that makes finding what you want on the internet faster, easier, and more fun. Tremendous power from these 3 afterburning jet engines. 9,000 pounds of thrust from the afterburning jet engine. That's exactly under control from the next floor Shockwave. You may have noticed how the truck jumps ahead when he sets the brakes and pops those afterburners. There's so much thrust, so much push to that he can't even hold it with the brakes, just jumps forward. Like some all 30,000 horsepower. He's going to take a run down the runway in just a moment. Jeremy Fields, Jeremy is saying, okay, stand by. Make sure the jets are all ready. Make sure the burners are working good. Bring it up to 100%. Stand by on the burners. Here come the airplanes for our track race. And Chapman upside down. Michael Mancuso right side up. And the race is on. Oh, they've got a big lead in the airplane, but watch what happens. Even with a burner blowout and a relight, he still went blowing by. Right now, it's a huge 16-foot parachute. Two of them that are... Okay, Tim, take it away. Let's hear that.